Hey everyone, I'm excited to be doing this video today where I will be stretching my hair using Flexi rods. So this is a heatless method to stretch your hair. I'll be showing you towards the end how to even get a straighter result that actually does not have the curl from the Flexi rod, which is super cool. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I do appreciate you, and to my returning subscribers, you know I love you. Let's get into the video. Today's video is in partnership with KAZMALEJE. This brand I have raved about for years now. These guys are reinventing wash day with the most amazing tools to detangle your hair. They've got the paper comb, they've got a pick, and also the curls plus comb. And these products, guys, are high grade, high quality products that will help you retain your length, reduce breakage, all while doing it in half the time. If you're on a length retention journey or just want healthy hair, or if you are a committed finger detangler, you will find these really helpful because they actually mimic the fingers. They have got features such as having seamless teeth and having a handle that you can also part your hair with, which is just really convenient. I like 2-in-1s. You can sign up, guys, and earn rewards for shopping with these guys. There's so many perks. I would really encourage you to have a look. And of course, I have got a 10% discount for you guys in the description below. Otherwise, you can head on over to Amazon using my affiliate link below and purchase your tools from there. So head on over to their website and check them out. So I'm going to go in with this leave-in conditioner. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. And I am starting off with freshly washed hair. So all that's left is for me to just go ahead and moisturize my hair, seal it up, and then go ahead to install the Flexi rods. So I'm going to go ahead and just spritz the hair with a little bit of water just to dampen it up a little bit because it was starting to get a bit dry. And although I do not need clean parts for just the neatness of the style per se, you will see me go ahead and make cleaner parts in my hair just because this helps to reduce the amount of breakage that you incur when dealing with the hair in general. So I'm gonna go ahead and make clean parts as much as I can. Moisturize with the leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. So that's the Black Jamaican Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and seal in the moisture with castor oil, and then I'm gonna lightly detangle the hair before I twist it. And after twisting, then we're going to go ahead to install the Flexi rod. So you'll see all this process throughout the video, but I'm going to stop rambling and just allow you guys to watch and enjoy. Alright, so all done with the moisturization process. This process is super important just to make sure that your hair is nice and supple and also easy to manipulate. And more importantly, actually, because we are stretching our hair, it means that we'll probably not be moisturizing it for a few days or even up to a week for me. So moisturizing your hair, super important. Anywho, here we go with the Flexi rod. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a couple of twists and start to wrap the ends of my hair around the Flexi Rod. So I apply gentle pressure, if you know what I mean, and then I sort of twirl the end of my hair around it, and then twirl the rest of the hair on top of the ends, just to make sure that the ends stay stretched. So you might need to do this a couple of times before you absolutely get it right, but it's super important if you want your ends to be stretched with this particular method, using Flexi rods. So once you're done rolling the hair over the Flexi Rod set, you want to bend it in the opposite direction of how you were sort of rolling it over, and this helps to keep it nice and firm onto the hair and allows it not to unravel, if you know what I mean. It also helps to keep the roots firm and as stretched as possible. And that's all there is to it, pretty much. All you need to do, once again, is wrap your ends around the Flexi Rod firmly and roll over the rest of the hair onto the Flexi Rod. Bend the Flexi Rod in the opposite direction of the direction that you were rolling, so the opposite direction from which you were rolling, to make sure it's firm at the base, and that's it. Obviously, if you want your hair to dry quicker, just roll each twist on its own, if you know what I mean. So don't roll 3 twists at the same time. Just one Flexi Rod to one twist. That just helps the hair to dry quicker. For me, using a couple of twists at the same time works best because, girl, I'm out of patience. I pretty much just want to do this as quickly as possible and allow the hair to dry as I get on with other things around the house. So yeah, this works for me. Alright, so once I was done, I decided to sit under my hooded dryer attachment just to hasten the drying process. I put the heat just around a medium, I believe, so it wasn't too hot, but it was warm enough to, you know, quicken that drying process. Unfortunately, you can't really walk around the house with this, so yeah, I had to stay put for at least 30 minutes. But I really appreciate this little tool, guys. I'll put a link below to where you can get something similar, but it's pretty handy if you want your hair to dry quicker without risking too much of the heat damage and, you know, all the things that we're scared of when it comes to using heat. Now, right here is the real, guys. Reality is that things don't always go the way you plan, okay? And I'm not about to start lying to you now. So the truth of the matter is that this Flexi Rod took forever to dry. Maybe it's because of the castor oil. Maybe I used too much leave-in conditioner. Who knows? But anyway, I had to sort of, you know, go ahead and do other things around the house and then come and sit for the second time under the hooded dryer attachment for another 30 minutes. So to be honest, it took 2 hours, much more than I thought it would take. Having said that though, I sort of only allowed it to dry to maybe 75%, 80%. And the reason for that is because I am not going to be wearing the Flexi Rod set as a style. I'm actually just doing this to stretch my hair, and I actually do not want the curl in my hair. So in order for me to achieve stretched hair without the curl and without having to use heat, etc., this particular time, I decided to take all the Flexi Rods out with the hair still slightly damp. And I mean very slightly damp. It's pretty much dry actually, but it's still damp enough for me to still kind of manipulate it a little bit. And what you're going to see me do now is start to unravel these individual twists, lightly detangle them because they're still damp actually, and then retwist. that does two things. That allows the stretch to be maintained, one, and I can still lightly detangle my hair without enduring any breakage because it's still a little bit damp, so it's not super dry, if you know what I mean. So that's pretty much the technique that I am using to obtain or to achieve a very stretched result using Flexi rods. I was so tempted to rock this style as is because how cute is it? But yeah, I had to stick to the plan, otherwise the video would be irrelevant, right? Okay, so what you see me do next is now to start unraveling my slightly damp hair, and then I will go ahead and finger detangle lightly before I go ahead and retwist the hair for the final stretch. And just like that, we are done. I love the result of this process. My hair is stretched and I didn't have to use heat. For those people that don't like to use heat, this is a cool way to get a somewhat, very stretched result with Flexi rods. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two things from the video. Do comment below, let me know how you stretch your hair with heat or without, and yeah, what methods you use and what has worked for you over the years. Do subscribe, like, and share this video. You just don't know who you help. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Thanks for watching. Bye.